Hello there and welcome to a product spotlight video on the Modern Christmas Suite. The Modern Christmas Suite is an online exclusive product, meaning that you will not find it in any catalog, that it is only in the Stampin' Up! Online store. And it was released on September 3rd, 2025, and I have to say I am quite smitten with this collection. I am a big fan of black, white, and gold, and this is just amazing. So as you can see, you can purchase the entire suite of products, which is the designer series paper, the gold hoops, the black, white, and gold baker's twine, and of course the ornamental Christmas stamp set and dies, or you can purchase all these products individually. So what I have here is all the products. So this is the bundle of products. This is the ornamental Christmas stamp set and the ornamental Christmas set of dies. We also have here the Modern Christmas Designer Series paper. This actually comes as a 12 by 12, but I did cut it down to 6 by 6 so that I could show you all the patterns pretty easily. So we have this fun, just black and white Christmas tree pattern, no gold accents. We have the Fa La 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 La, which is also black and white. We have the kind of polka dots, not completely polka dots, black and white pattern. We've got some little, I don't even know what you'd call that. I don't even know, just a wave or something like that, black and white also. Just your standard black and white polka dot. We have a black and white plaid. And then we get into the gold foil accent pieces. This is the black, white, and gold striped. We have the gold and white ornaments. We have the black, white, and gold. I believe this is mistletoe. Very fun. We have the black, white, and gold Christmas trees with some stars. The black with gold stars, and then this kind of fun geometric pattern also with the gold accents. So that's the designer series paper. The suite also includes the large gold hoops, and these are going to be fantastic to make Christmas ornaments with, and I actually have one to share with you. So these measure, let me just get my ruler out real quick here. These measure about 3.5 inches in diameter, so they do make a nice size ornament. That's how it would look in your hand. And then finally for this collection, we have the black and white and gold baker's twine, which is, we have the black and gold, and then we have the white and gold. So you can see it's definitely got the gold spun around in there, as does this black and gold also. So very, very nice twine. All right, so I do want to share with you my sheet of what the dies and stamps will do. So I've got that right here. So this is a sheet of the dies. There are 11 dies in the set. So you've got the large circle. It's about 2 7/8 of an inch. We have this fun ornament shape, and with this ornament shape comes this piece here. Now this piece here, I did die cut it in gold, and then I did trim off the edges as I laid it over my ornament. But I believe it's designed to actually go on to the ornament, so it can die cut this fun little detailed, these fun detailed circles. So you can see there are 5 circles. I have them all glued down to my sheet. And then it does give you a row of very tiny dots that then you can see through, which is a very fun design. And then I also have one here that I have done where I have just embossed the sentiment in gold and added one of the ornament hangers. So the set does come with 2 ornament hangers. They will work great with both the circle and the ornament shape. There is also a star die. Now the star also will cut out the star that you stamp if you want to. It also has this fun star shaped, maybe you could use that as an ornament also. And then we have these little things here, and I don't know what they're called. I guess I'm going to call them a star just for lack of a better term, but there are 2 dies and each die will cut out 2 of those at a time. So then on the back side, I do have both of the Christmas trees. I guess they don't have to be Christmas trees, stamped in white on white. I probably should have done them on a different color, but I think you get the gist. And then they can both be die cut. Here is the star. And then I did take the dies and I did kind of trace around the inside of them. And then I stamped the sentiment so you can see how nicely the sentiments do work inside the dies. All right, so let me put that aside. I do have a few projects to share with you. Here is an ornament that I created. Look how fun that is. I actually used the large circle And then I die cut 6 of the trees out of one of the patterns of designer series paper. I folded them in half. I've got 3 on this side of the ornament and 3 on this side of the ornament. And then you can see that I do have some sequins. Now these sequins, I believe, are in the annual catalog. They are the loose gold sequins, and these are amazing. They coordinate brilliantly with this suite of products, as you can tell, since I have a bunch of them here on my ornament. So the ornament does have a hanger. I can hang that on my Christmas tree, and then the sequins are going to catch the light of my Christmas tree lights, and I think it's going to be really, really beautiful. Another product that coordinates great with this suite, besides the loose gold sequins, is the gold shaker stars. These are also an online exclusive product that released on September 3rd. They are not really with any sort of suite or product, but you can see how fun these are going to be. These would make, like the name says, great shaker cards. We have some stars that have open middles, multiple sizes, and then we have stars that are just solid with a few different sizes also. And this is quite the substantial cup. As you can see, the sequins are in the skinny cup and the stars are in the fatter cup. So you do get quite a few stars here. Oops, I've got a few that decided to escape. So let's just get those right back in there. Another product that I thought would work really well with this suite is this gold striped ribbon. This was part of the online exclusive release in May, and it's definitely gold, and it's just beautiful, and I thought it would also work really, really well with this suite of products. All right, I do have a few samples here for you. Here is a Christmas card that I made where I just die cut the tree out of this layer of black, and then I just placed strips behind it. You may notice this strip here. This isn't a designer series paper. This is just a strip of black that I had stamped this image from the stamp set in Versamark, and then I embossed it in gold. And then I was able to use it as kind of a piece of designer series paper. I thought that was pretty fun. I have this one here that uses lots of patterns of the designer series paper, along with that Christmas tree and this fun sentiment on one of our stylish shapes. Here is a card that I designed using the Christmas trees in, of course, completely different color pattern or color combination than comes in the suite. So I decided to use Old Olive and Mossy Meadow, and then I brought in a banner on some cherry cobbler, which I think is great. This is the folder that goes with the Peace on Earth bundle. If you were wondering where I got the folder, it works really, really well. Here's another card I designed where I used the large circle, and I did stamp my Merry Christmas in some gold embossing powder with Versamark, added a tree hanger here, and then I did use some of that twine. And then as you can see, I have these little circles. Remember, they came from this die here. You get these 5 little circles, and I just added those as my embellishments for that. So I thought that was pretty fun. That is all I have to share with you about this. There are some other samples in the online store. If you just go to the online store and type in Modern Christmas, you'll get some other samples that are just as amazing as the ones that I have here for you. So I hope you'll give this suite a try. It's fantastic. I love it. And I just can't say enough great things about it. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you a little bit of insight into the great Modern Christmas suite. Thanks again. Bye-bye.